Hello YouTube, OB Gaming here, and welcome back to BeamNG Drive. And today we're just gonna be, I guess I want to trying out some vehicles that are mainly in the game. Like, I'm just gonna be honest, that's basically what I want to do. But I kind of want to see if I can hook up a trailer to one of these trucks and try to see if I can haul it around. It's not because I'm thinking I'm out of ideas. It's just because I want to see if this actually works in the game. I mean, of course it does, but honestly, I'm curious. Sleeper M. I'm gonna try this one. Now, I kind of want to spawn in a like I said, I want to spawn in a trailer, but how do I do this? Okay. Oh, you just hit it. Oh, you go into the controls and do that. Okay, that's. Like I said, we're going to try and attempt this for the first time. So, I mean, I didn't say it was the first time I've attempted this, but I just want to see if this would work. So, I want to try a trailer. There we go. But I want to select the color of it. And choose a red or something. Yeah, there we go. Spawn new vehicle. Okay, there we go. Now, I'm gonna try and see if I can teleport over to the vehicle, so we're just gonna do this. Nope, wrong button again. I am so bad when it comes to doing stuff like this. Okay, no. It's not what we want. We want to go to here. I think it was this. Maybe? No. To say the least, guys, I am sorry I can't figure this out, and I should be able to, but like I said, in my older videos, I've said this before, it's been a while since I played BeamNG Drive, and I'm trying to get more into, doing it. What the? Oh, that's so weird. Okay. Come on. No. That's not what I want. I want to get in the truck. Here, hang on. If I hit E... No, hang on. If I hit E... If I hit my camera... There we go! I think it's working, right? Can I drive this thing? Oh, wait. I am sorry, guys. I forgot that it wasn't WASD. It was more of thumbsticks, so... Or not thumbsticks, arrows, my bad. So, I'm gonna try and hook up the trailer. Oops. Why am I so bad? Okay, hang on a minute. Okay, I'm just gonna here, how do I... No. No, I don't need that. Okay, I need to figure this out. That's... I need to, Stop it! Okay. Okay, let's think here. Hold on. Where's the handle to the door? By the way, I know it sounds so dumb to say something like that, but jump out. Alright, you know what? We're gonna just have to roll with it. Sorry about the beeping. I'll get that in a second. Wrong. I'm gonna drive forward. No, 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 no. Okay, stop. Okay, I just need that to get away. I don't know why that's happening. Okay, I get it. Did I hook it? Oh, it did hook on. That's okay. So I didn't really have to do anything there. That's actually really, really good. That truck is getting really annoying, by the way. Like, I can't blame you guys if it's getting annoying. Like, it's getting annoying for me, too. I'm gonna, like, use the view camera here. So that way I'm not hearing that beeping. Oh my god, this is, like, actually a really good truck, to be honest. Okay. I do want to see here if I can, oh, there's a sleeper in the back. That's cool. Hold on, I'm just gonna, like, I want to, like... Here, I'm gonna turn on AI, and I'm hoping to God this doesn't lag my game. So AI, we're gonna turn on, here, I need to turn on, like, where are they at? Nope. Okay, chase me, traffic, spawn in normal. Please don't lag. Oops. Honestly, like, to be honest, I'm doing pretty good so far. Like, I'm saying with the driving, not with this, like, whatever. It took us 7 minutes to get this stupid thing up and running. That's annoying. Plus, it's hard to see with the trailer. Oh my god, now I know how truck drivers feel. Whoa. Like, imagine being these type of people. Whoa! Stop, go, please. Holy man. Ah! Okay, not gonna lie, that scared me. What's happening? Oh. Did I just back into someone, or did someone just back into me? Okay, note to self, don't make tight turns. I am curious though, can I honk wait, hold on, is that manual accelerator? Oh my god. We can turn on lights in here, that's cool. Wait, what does this button do? Oh, it's like that's the ignition. Sometimes I wonder, like, what am I doing in my life? Is that a parking brake? Wait a minute, what? Manual shifter, I'm assuming. I think I may have just hit the wrong button. Just so you know, guys, I've never driven one of these things before at all in my life, so I'm trying to figure this out. Come on. Oh, is there a car in front of me? Is that why I can't move? Why can't I move? Wait a minute. Wait, is that parking brake on? Oh, I think it was that button. That's the one that caused me issues. Move it! This is actually really fun, I'm not gonna lie, driving this thing. Okay, I did that on purpose. I'm not gonna lie, I did that on purpose. Wait, hold on, can I fit through like a tunnel or something? Come on. I hit something. Okay, now I understand why trucks don't go down in these tunnels. Well, no wait, that's not true. Most do. Oh my god, that was a cool shot. That actually looks cool. Oh. Whoa! Oh. What am I doing? Well. You actually sleep back here, or is that not a thing? Is that like a manual shifter? I don't even know. But anyways, guys, I think it's going to wrap it for this episode. I'll see you guys next time.